Recycling is a simple act that can have a huge impact on the environment and the planet as a whole. Many of us know that recycling helps reduce waste, but why is it so important? Today, let's take a closer look at the significance of recycling and how it plays a crucial role in preserving our planet for future generations. First, it's essential to understand that our planet has finite resources. Everything we use, from the materials we build our homes with to the food we eat, comes from the Earth's natural resources. As the world's population grows and consumption increases, we are using up these resources at an alarming rate. Recycling helps reduce the need for raw materials by reusing existing materials, which allows us to conserve natural resources. For example, recycling aluminum saves up to 95% of the energy required to create new aluminum from bauxite, which is a significant energy saver and helps preserve precious raw materials. Another critical reason why recycling is important is because of the massive amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Landfills are not just eyesores, they also have serious environmental consequences. As trash decomposes in landfills, it releases harmful greenhouse gases like methane, which contribute to climate change. Recycling helps divert waste from these landfills, reducing the amount of waste that needs to be buried or burned. This, in turn, reduces methane emissions and the strain on landfill spaces, helping to protect the environment. Recycling also helps reduce energy consumption. When materials are recycled, they generally require less energy to process compared to producing new products from raw materials. For example, recycling paper saves energy by reducing the need for pulping wood, and recycling plastics uses less energy than producing new plastic from petroleum. Less energy consumption means fewer fossil fuels are burned, which helps reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. In addition to saving energy, recycling can also help reduce water consumption. Manufacturing new products from raw materials often requires significant amounts of water. For example, producing paper from trees requires large amounts of water to process the wood pulp. Recycling paper, on the other hand, uses far less water, making it a more sustainable option. By recycling, we help conserve not only energy but also our water resources, which are becoming increasingly scarce in many parts of the world. Recycling plays a vital role in reducing pollution. When we dispose of waste improperly, such as by throwing plastics into the ocean or littering on the streets, it pollutes the environment and harms wildlife. For example, plastic waste in the ocean can choke marine animals, damage coral reefs, and pollute the water. Recycling reduces the amount of waste that ends up in the environment, helping to protect ecosystems and wildlife. By recycling materials like plastics, metals, and paper, we are less likely to contribute to the growing problem of pollution. One of the most powerful aspects of recycling is that it can create jobs and stimulate the economy. The recycling industry is a significant source of employment, with millions of people around the world working in recycling programs, waste management, and the manufacturing of recycled products. As more people recycle, more industries can develop that focus on recycling, leading to job creation and economic growth. Recycling is not just beneficial for the environment, but it also helps communities thrive by supporting green industries and local economies. Recycling can also have a positive impact on our health. When waste is not properly disposed of, it can create environmental hazards that affect the air, water, and soil quality. Hazardous waste, such as chemicals, metals, and plastics, can leach into the environment and contaminate natural resources, leading to health problems for both humans and wildlife. By recycling and reducing waste, we can help prevent these harmful substances from entering our ecosystems and protect public health. So, why is recycling so important? It helps conserve natural resources, reduces waste in landfills, saves energy, lowers pollution, conserves water, creates jobs, and even protects our health. Recycling is an easy and effective way to contribute to a healthier, cleaner, and more sustainable planet. Each small action we take, whether it's recycling a bottle, sorting our trash, or supporting businesses that use recycled materials, can make a big difference. Let's do our part in making recycling a habit, and together, we can create a better future for our planet.